Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snake leather is made, step by step, from raw skin to a luxury jacket.
Each skin undergoes a meticulous tanning process, ensuring both durability and a supple texture for luxury goods.
Pressure is stabilizing now.
Good. Holding at optimal levels.
Every piece is carefully refined and checked for quality.
And that's how snake leather is made, from start to finish.
Every jacket is checked before leaving the factory.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.